Hello kids, it's Mr. Ag here, and I want to talk to you about your word study work for Monday, November 16th. You will be in your Words Their Way workbook on page 73, sort 19. So today we're looking at the short U sound and two different ways to make the long U ooh sound. So the coding that they're explaining is open syllable EW and UE. So you'll see some words here that follow that consonant vowel consonant pattern where the U is all by itself. When the U is all by itself and there's nothing else in the code that tells you to make it an oo or U sound, then you give it its short U sound, But when you see words that have this EW sound, you read this as oo. And for many words here that have the UE sound, it's also read as ooh. So reading these words, you can begin to categorize them, and when you cut them out and paste them onto the next page, we've got four categories. We've got consonant, vowel, consonant, so like in thumb, you hear the short U sound, and then we've got EW words, ew, like in new. So that's a consonant vowel vowel pattern, so the EW acts like a vowel team. And we've got the vowel team UE, which also makes the oo sound, like in do. And an oddball would be any word that doesn't have the or oo sound or doesn't follow the spelling patterns that we're looking for with consonant, vowel, consonant, or open syllable EW and UE. And the last page has you writing the sort. So you're sorting into short U words, oo words spelled with an EW, and oo words spelled with a UE. I'm going to read the words before I go, and just so you have a chance to hear the words as you decode them. If you'd like to say them with me, you can. If you want to stop and start the video to make sure you're hearing what they sound like, then you can do that as well. So here we've got plump, stew, sue, so, few, trunk, chew, clue, true, blue, do, dump, drew, flew, brush, new, glue, grew, truth, truck, junk. So as I was reading those words, there were three words that I found that did not fit the pattern that we're looking for. One has the spelling pattern, but doesn't make the right sound. It makes a long O sound. Another one doesn't have the spelling pattern, but it still makes the oo sound. And the third one also doesn't have the spelling pattern, but makes an oo sound. So the oddballs are a little bit tricky today. There are three of them. And if you play back my voice reading them, or if you can read them on your own and you recognize one of these words has a long O sound, one of them or two of them have they don't have the EW or the UE coding to make the OO sound. So there are definitely three oddballs in this one. Okay, good luck. Enjoy your word sort, and hopefully this helps you improve your spelling and your reading. Thank you.